I never thought I'd have a cat that thought I was his personal tree.
Hi, Gary. Okay.
He climbed onto my shoulder once and then he never left.
But that can't be done. Oh.
Wherever I go, Gary is right there. If I'm brushing my teeth, he always wants to jump up.
Oh, Gary.
I just found it so cute.
Good boy, Gary.
If I hadn't found him, I really don't think he would have survived. I was volunteering at an animal sanctuary in Greece, and I was so used to seeing kittens everywhere. And we wouldn't usually stop to take them in because there was just so many. But that day we saw a little kitten in the bush. I just thought, let's stop and see if I can get him. He was really scared and covered in fleas. I took him into the car and my friend fell in love with him and she said she was going to adopt him. We took him home, we gave him a comb and then a little bath. But she changed her mind and I decided to adopt him. When I first held him, as soon as I'd start stroking him, he would start purring. He was quite quick to start trusting me, actually. He just had such a big personality for such a tiny little cat. He'd sleep on my chest and like burrow his head into my neck every night. And he'll rub himself all over you until he gets attention.
Hi.
From the first day that I had him in the bathroom, he'd be climbing up my legs, climb up to my head.
Oh my God, he's so cute.
And he's always done that every day since.
This is Gary's new favourite position. I have to hold my hand up like this.
I'd just be covered in scratches. But now he's getting better at learning to wait until I bend down a bit.
I love you, Gary.
And then I say Gary, and then he jumps up to my shoulder. Gary has just made my life better in so many ways. We have the most special bond. It's a bond that I've always dreamed of having. I feel like he is more himself when I'm there, and vice versa. It makes me so emotional when I think about what my life would be if I hadn't found him.